Again, everybody, we're going to be doing construction number 14. We're going to construct a circle within triangle ABC, the inscribed circle. We're going to have to find the incenter first by finding two of the angle bisectors, and then the point of concurrency of those two angle bisectors will be the incenter, and then we should be able to draw the inscribed circle after we have found the radius for that inscribed circle. This one's a little bit more involved than some of the other constructions that we've done in the past. It involves using construction number 3, which is the angle bisector construction. It also involves construction number 5, which is constructing a perpendicular from a point to a line. So in the end, we'll get something that will look like this. So the triangle that we're going to be doing these constructions on is here, triangle ABC. We're going to start off by doing the angle bisector of angle A. So we put our crosshairs here on point A, and we need to draw an arc of any radius, and it needs to intersect the two sides of the triangle. We then will go to those two intersection points, and I can keep the same radius, but I'm going to make a new radius that is smaller, as long as it's beyond halfway between these two intersection points. So as long as my radius is beyond this distance, I'll be able to get the angle bisector. So create an arc here, switch to the other intersection point, create another arc of equal radius. Those two arcs intersect, and then I can draw the angle bisector going from point A through the intersection of those two radii. And we have bisected angle A. We're now going to bisect angle C by doing the same construction number 3. Draw an arc. Put my crosshairs on the intersection of the arc and the side. I'm going to set a radius out further this time so that the diagram becomes a little less busy. Draw an arc out there. So my crosshairs at the other intersection point. Draw the other arc. Now I'm ready to draw my angle bisector. I've now bisected angle C. Where those two angle bisectors intersect is the point of concurrency for the angle bisectors. We call it the incenter. We're going to label this point D. And this is the extra part that makes this construction a little bit trickier than some of the others, is we now need to do construction number 5. And I'm going to turn our paper here so that it's oriented in a way that we're used to seeing it. We need to draw a perpendicular from point D to line AB. I could do it to line AC. I could do it to line BC. I'm going to do it to line AB. So we've set our radius, our center, crosshairs on point D. And I'm going to create an arc that's going to intersect line AB. at 2 points. Now that I have these 2 points, I can draw 2 arcs. These 2 arcs. And I only need to draw the 2 arcs down below here. I don't need to draw the arcs up above because I already have point D that I'll be able to connect with. So I'm going to draw an arc down here. Come to my other intersection. And I'll draw an arc here. And I now have perpendicular from point D to AB, which gives me another intersection point. And we'll turn this back around here. This point here, which we'll call E, is the radius of our inscribed circle. That's the point that we'll use to set our radius. And if I've done this correctly, and this is tough, I should only touch the sides one time. It should just glance each of the 3 sides. It's a little hard to see. There we go. There is our inscribed circle. And that is construction number 14. Thank you.